It's Lego Super Mario, and check this out right here. Bowser's Ship, 1,152 pieces. Super cool. This is an expansion set. Okay, Goomba, Comic, and Rocky Wrench come in this play set right here. Super cool. You're gonna need this little Mario to make it fun, and of course the iPad for the instructions. So anyway, this is 71391. This is what the course looks like once you get it all built. This is going to be super fun. You need the iPad to build it, but let's show you what it looks like after it's built. And once you get all the bags out of the box, this is what they look like. So they are numbered bags. You put a number on them, and the directions on the iPad app will tell you how to put them all together. So let's get building. Okay, and once you get it built, 1,152 pieces later, this is what you get. You got Kamek built right here. Okay, you've got the cannon right here that shoots Mario up. Mario doesn't come with this set, remember? Okay, and then you've got a Goomba on the front. Alright, these spin, which is pretty cool. You can already see a couple of the coded boxes. So this will shoot up Rocky's wrench right here. Here's Rocky's wrench. Okay, and then expand it. You can expand it and open it up. Let's take these off first. Lots of cool detail to it. So even these cannons, they flip up. These cannon covers. Bowser's hand that you have to defeat. That's attached here. Actually, it's attached right there. Got a little target right here. Okay. Let's see the back. You've got the Bowser head on the back, which once you beat, you can beat Bowser. You can take your Mario. Okay, and once again, that Mario is not included in the set, so you got to make sure that you get that. Let's see, here's another box right here. There's a box on the hand to scan, and then pretty cool on the front is this Bowser head right here. So very cool. Okay, and then you've got some other details here with lanterns. These lanterns can be removed, I suppose, if you wanted to. Lanterns on the back. You've even got propellers here on the very back. Propellers on the back. So lots of cool details. All right, let's close it up. There we go. Okay, so you can close it up. You can put these other parts in later, but that's the size. That's what it looks like in the compacted size. But a lot of cool details and a pretty fun build for sure. When you complete this Lego set right here. So anyway, you should definitely check this out. Great for any Lego fan or Super Mario fan, and I highly recommend.